सी तो वी हैव टू स्टडी फर्स्ट OMR, ठीक है, then after we will study OCR, then what, MICR,
MICR
ठीक है, these three input devices we have to study, ठीक है।
and
See,
light
first
pen.
OMR is, it stands for what? Optical character
Optical mark reader.
reader.
Optical
Optical character
mark
reader,
reader.
or you can say that recognition. It is also known as recognition also. It is also known as recognitions also, ठीक है। Optical character reader or recognition, you can say that. See what's your book say? Optical mark, not character, optical mark it is, optical mark, ठीक है।
Yes,
See
sir.
what's your book say? That can read marks at designated positions such as the OMR sheets you use to answer question on a multiple choice exam paper or survey, ठीक है। तो OMR sheets, ठीक है, OMR sheets are used in
Sir,
our
page number.
page number
Page number, sir.
32, page number
Page
32,
number.
32, page number 32, ठीक है। तो OMR is used to read the special mark, which are printed on your OMR sheets, which are printed on the OMR sheets, ठीक है। जैसे आप क्या कर रहे हो, ये इसमें कुछ जो भी आपके एग्जामिनेशन वगैरह होते हैं, आजकल के जो एग्जामिनेशन वगैरह होते हैं, ठीक है, वो किस पे होते हैं? OMR शीट पे होते हैं। किस पे होते हैं? आपके OMR शीट्स पे, ठीक है। तो उसमें क्या होता है कि आपको ऑप्शन दे दिए जाते हैं, जैसे एक क्वेश्चन से उसके 4 ऑप्शन दे दिए, A, B, C एंड D, ठीक है। तो जो आपका करेक्ट आंसर होता है उसको आप क्या करते हो? डार्क करते हो, उसको आप क्या करते हो? डार्क करते हो, ठीक है। तो इस सीट को रीड करने के लिए हमें किसकी रिक्वायरमेंट आती है? OMR की। किसकी रिक्वायरमेंट आती है?
Optical
OMR,
mark
दैट इज योर
reader.
ऑप्टिकल मार्क रीडर।
OMR.
Optical mark reader that is used to read
Sir.
special mark, that is used to read special mark, ठीक है ना। that can read at designated position, ठीक है। that can read on the designated position means कि किसी ना किसी पर्टिकुलर पोजीशन पे आपको दिया गया होगा, ठीक है, और उसी को आपको क्या कराना है? रीड कराना है, ठीक है। तो उसके लिए इनपुट डिवाइस की रिक्वायरमेंट आती है। दैट डिवाइस इज नोन एज व्हाट? OMR, दैट इज योर ऑप्टिकल मार्क रीडर, ऑप्टिकल मार्क रीडर, ठीक है। इट इज योर OMR sheets. Let's move for the OCR. Let's move for the OCR. OCR stands for optical character reader. Optical character reader. Optical
Reader.
character reader.
Optical character reader.
Yes, good. Optical character reader that can scan a printed document and convert it into editable text, ठीक है। It is used to scan the printed document, ठीक है, and just change into the editable format. Change into the editable format means we can just perform all type of
Format.
cut, copy, paste or delete, ठीक है। OCR is used to scan the your printed document and convert it into the editable text. Next is your
Text.
MICR. Last topic is your
Magnetic ink character
MICR.
reader.
Magnetic
It
ink.
stands for magnetic ink
Ink character reader.
Character reader.
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 Magnetic ink character reader. It is also type of an input device that is used to read, special ink printed on the checkbook, checks। जो भी आपके जो चेक्स वगैरह होते हैं उसमें जो आपके जो जिस स्पेशल इंक उससे उसमें क्या होता है, जो भी आपका अकाउंट नंबर होता है या फिर अकाउंट होल्डर नेम होता है या फिर चेक नंबर होते हैं, ठीक है, उसको रीड करने के लिए हम किसका यूज करते हैं? हम नहीं, जो बैंकर्स होते हैं किसका यूज करते हैं? MICR, दैट इज योर मैग्नेटिक ink character reader. It is type of an input device that is used to read special type of ink, which is used to read a special type of character, special type of character which is printed on the check,
Sir, please mute everyone.
a lot of sounds.
Please mute everyone. Mute everyone.
ठीक है। तो MICR, मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रीडर, that is used to read special type of character which is printed on the checks, mostly it is used in the banking sector, to verify or to check the authentication of the checks, ठीक है। जो भी आपका चेक है उसका ऑथेंटिकेशन के लिए मींस उसके वेरिफिकेशन के लिए किसका यूज किया जाता है? MICR का, ठीक है। Light pen, it is a type of an input device that is used to point or draw any type of picture ठीक है, on the screen, ठीक है. If you want to draw any picture or select any item, for that we use a input device, we use an pointing device. That device is known as what? Light pen. ठीक है, once again I am repeating my definition. ठीक है, light pen is a type of a pointing device that is used to select, point or draw any type of picture on the screen directly. That is known as what? That is known as light pen. ठीक है, so light pen is a type of input device, ठीक है, that is used to point, select or draw any pictures on the screen directly. ठीक है, let's proceed for the output devices. Output devices, last topic. ठीक है, we have to cover today. Output devices. See, output devices. ठीक है, the device through which we give, the device through we take the result. ठीक है ना, after processing, ठीक है ना, we get what? Result. First we give the input, then after processing, and what we get? Result. And then after we get the result through the output devices, ठीक है, through the output devices, ठीक है ना. It is a part of hardware that is responsible for giving us what? Output. ठीक है, it is the part of hardware that is responsible for giving us what? Output. ठीक है, output in the sense result, output in the sense what? Result, or you can say that information, ठीक है. So the device, the hardware device through which we take the result or information is known as what? Output devices. ठीक है, so many examples of hardware output devices are monitors. Next is your what? Printer, speaker and projector. And what? Projector. ठीक है, we are going to study one by one. Monitor, printer, speaker and projector. ठीक है, and one thing more, plotter also. ठीक है, it is also type of an output device. Plotter. ठीक है, plotter. So output device, the device through which, the hardware device through which we take the result, is known as what? Output device. ठीक है, examples of output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, projector and plotter. ठीक है, one by one we are going to study. First is coming your monitor. What? Monitor. See, monitor is the most common form of output from a computer. ठीक है, it is the most commonly used output form of the output device of the computer system. ठीक है, it display information in a similar way to that show on a television screen. It is just similar to like a television screen. ठीक है, it display information, ठीक है, on the screen. The picture on a monitor is made up of thousands of tiny colored dots called pixels. ठीक है, the pictures on a monitor, ठीक है, when every picture on a monitor, ठीक है, is the combinations of teeny dots. Teeny means small, ठीक है, teeny dots, that is known as the pixel. It is the combination, picture is the combination of teeny pixel. ठीक है, the information, ठीक है, the information which is shown on the monitor, the information which is shown on the monitor is known as what? Soft copy. ठीक है, the information, ठीक है, the information which display on the monitor is known as what? Soft copy. ठीक है, keep it in mind, the information which is, that is display on the monitor is known as what? Soft copy. ठीक है, तो monitor is a type of output, an output device that is used to give result, on the screen, that is known as what? Soft copy. Also, ठीक है, the information which is given on the screen, ठीक है, is known as what? Soft copy. Clear to everyone? Monitor. ठीक है, there are two types of monitor. First is your CRT, second is your what? LCD. First is your CRT and second is your LCD. CRT stands for cathode ray tubes, ठीक है, and LCD stands for liquid crystal display. ठीक है, two types of monitors we have, CRT and LCD. It is oldest types of monitor. monitor, and it is the new technology of the monitor. It is the new technology of the new discovered technology of the monitor. ठीक है. CRT, it is bulky. It is bulky in shape. It is bulky. Bulky means what? Large. It is larger in shape. It is larger in content, or you can say the heavy, or you can say that heavy. ठीक है. तो CRT is bulky. ठीक है. CRT is bulky. But LCD monitor is what? Thin. It is thin. It is thin. ठीक है. It is thin. ठीक है. It is also known as LED. It is also known as what? LED. It stands for light emitting diode. It stands for light emitting diode. It is also known as LED. ठीक है. That's it's LED means what? Light emitting diode. Light emitting diode. Light emitting diode. Light emitting diode. ठीक है. It is also known as what? LED. LCD is also known as LED. It is thin. ठीक है. CRT is bulky. CRT is bulky means heavy. ठीक है. It contains picture tube on his back. It contains picture tube on his back. ठीक है. It take more what? Electricity. It takes more electricity to run. It takes more electricity to run. It takes less electricity to run. It consumes, you can say that it consumes less electricity to run. ठीक है. And it takes more electricity to consume more electricity to run. ठीक है. It is a heavy. ठीक है. Bulky. Now overall, nowadays it is totally closed. Nowadays it is totally closed. Nowadays it is totally closed. ठीक है. And this is the newest form of our monitor, that is known as the LCD, or you can say the LED also. ठीक है. LED stands for light emitting diode. It is thinner. ठीक है. Comfortable, or you can say the portable. ठीक है. It's a picture quality is too good in compared to the CRT. Its picture quality is too good in compared to the CRT. ठीक है ना. ठीक है. So this type of monitor is totally closed. Nowadays it is not in our use. ठीक है. ठीक है. Nowadays we are using what? Only LCD, LED and other types of monitors. You can see in your books also. Clear to everyone? Types of monitor. There are two types of monitor. ठीक है. CRT and LCD. CRT, cathode ray tube. It contains picture tube on his back. ठीक है ना. It consumes a lot of more electricity. ठीक है. It is bulky, bulky in the sense it is heavy. ठीक है. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. It is also known as light emitting diode. ठीक है. It is thinner. ठीक है. Thinner in shape. ठीक है. It consumes less electricity to run. ठीक है. Nowadays it is totally we are using this type of monitor only. ठीक है. CRT is totally closed, not in our use. ठीक है. Some more other types of monitors are plasma monitors. ठीक है. Touch screen monitors, that is a plasma monitor. ठीक है. More advanced. ठीक है. More advanced to LED and LCD. ठीक है. That is known as what? Plasma monitor. Plasma monitors are PDP. In short, it is known as flat panel display. It is totally flat. The plasma technology utilizes small cells containing electrical charge, ionized gases across the face of a plasma display to correctly form a visual image. ठीक है ना. More advanced technology of the monitor, that is known as the plasma display, plasma monitor, that is known as the plasma monitor. ठीक है. More advanced to LCD or LED also. ठीक है. Next monitor is your touch screen monitor. ठीक है. We can just give instruction in the such type of monitors also. ठीक है. We can operate such type of monitors by touching the screen. ठीक है ना. Nowadays it is coming smart TV. You can take the example of touch screen monitor is smart TV. ठीक है. By giving you can just select all type of menus or point anything directly on the screen of that TV. That is known as what? Smart TV, or you can say that touch screen monitor. ठीक है. Last is organic light emitting display, that is OLED monitors. More advanced. ठीक है. More more advanced, ठीक है, more advanced monitor of LCD, that is known as what? OLED monitor, that is organic light emitting display monitor, ठीक है. So these are all the types of monitors. Now next topic is your printer. Next topic is your what? Printer. Next topic is your what? Printer, ठीक है. Printer, it is also type of an output device. It is also type of output, that is output device that is responsible for giving the result on the hard copy. Giving the result on hard copy. This type of device is responsible for giving your result on the hard copy. You can say pages. If you want to get your result on the pages, if you want to get your result on the pages, for that we need a printer. For that we need what? Printer. For that we need printer, ठीक है. If you want to just take your result on the paper, or you can say that on the hard copy, that is known as what? Printer. See what's your book say? A most convenient and useful method by which the computer can deliver information is by means of printed characters, ठीक है. If you want to get your result on the copy, on the page, ठीक है, that is hard copy. On hard copy is known as what? Printer. Is known as printer, ठीक है. There are two types of printer, ठीक है. First, impact printer, and second is your non-impact printer. Impact printer and non-impact printer, ठीक है. Impact printer, ठीक है. Impact printer you can write here, ठीक है, and non-impact printer, ठीक है. Impact printer, that is used to print only what? Black and white character. That is used to print only black and white character, ठीक है ना. It is noisy. It makes a lot of noise while printing, ठीक है. While printing it makes a lot of noise in the sense sound. Noise in the sense sound, ठीक है ना. It is noisy. It is bulky also, ठीक है ना. Bulky means what? Bulky means it is heavy, ठीक है ना. It is heavy, ठीक है. Noisy, bulky, consume more electricity. It consume more electricity also, ठीक है. तो impact printer, ठीक है. Give the listen the exact definition of the impact printer, ठीक है. There is a mechanical contact between print head and character, ठीक है. See, in this printer there is a mechanical contact between the print head and paper, ठीक है. There is a mechanical contact between the print head and the paper is known as what? Impact printer. It is noisy. It creates a lot of sound, ठीक है. While printing it creates sounds, ठीक है. It is bulky means larger in shape, ठीक है. Consume more electricity. It consume more electricity, and it is used for only black and white. It is used for only for black and white printing. It is only used for black and white printing, ठीक है ना. So this is your what? Impact printer. There is a mechanical contact between print head and paper. There is a mechanical contact between print head and paper. It is also known as character printer. Character wise printer. It is also known as character wise printer. Let's move for the non-impact printer, ठीक है. Non-impact printer. ठीक है. There is no any mechanical contact. Between print head and paper, ठीक है. It is used for colorful printing. It is not noisy. It does not create any sound. ठीक है. Simple to use. You can say that. Simple to use, ठीक है. Next, what you can say that? It is portable. Means easy to carry. Means what? Easy to carry. We can take this type of printer from one location to another location very easily, very comfortably, ठीक है. Third, what you can say there? It consumes less electricity. ठीक है. It consumes less electricity to run, ठीक है ना. तो non-impact printer exact definition is there is no any mechanical contact between print head and paper. ठीक है. It is used for colorful printing, ठीक है. It is simple to use, means simple to use means it is not bulky. You can say that it is portable, means we can carry from one location to another location very easily. ठीक है. It consumes less electricity. ठीक है. It consumes less electricity. ठीक है. But it is expensive. But it is expensive in compared to the impact printer. It is expensive. ठीक है. Expensive means costly. You can say that. See the types of impact printer and non-impact printer. ठीक है. Example of impact printer is DMP. DMP. DMP means what? You all know that dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printer. ठीक है. And daisy wheel printer. Daisy wheel printer. Daisy wheel printer. Daisy wheel printer. DMP dot matrix printer. And second example of impact printer is daisy wheel printer. ठीक है. You can note down this. ठीक है. Impact printer. Impact printer. ठीक है. Impact printer. Example of impact printer is you can take inkjet. Inkjet. Example. Inkjet printer. Thermal printer. Laser printer. Printers. ठीक है. तो these are all the examples of inkjet printer that is used for the colorful printing. ठीक है. Colorful and as well as black and white also. ठीक है. Inkjet printer, thermal printer, laser printer. ठीक है. And so many others example also you can check your books. ठीक है. DMP, that is your dot matrix printer, and daisy wheel printer. These are all the examples of impact printers. ठीक है. That is used for the character wise printing. That is used for the character wise printing, means one character at a time. ठीक है. Suppose that he has to write Devastali, so he will type first D, then E, then V, then A, then S, then T, then H, then A, then L, then Y. ठीक है. Like this it will print. That's why it is known as what? Character wise printer. ठीक है. And inkjet non-impact, just print everything. ठीक है. In one go. ठीक है. Speaker. Next topic is your what? Speaker. ठीक है. Speaker, as we all know that is used to take the sound as output. That is used to take the sound as output. ठीक है. If you want to get sound as output, for that we need an output device. That device is known as what? Speaker. That device is known as speaker. ठीक है. It is type of an input device that is used to take output. That is used to take output as a sound. ठीक है. For that we need speaker. See, speaker receive the sound in the form of electronic current from the sound card and then convert into the sound format. ठीक है. To listen sound, ठीक है, we need sound card. ठीक है. That is installed in our computer system. ठीक है. With the help of that sound card, ठीक है, we receive the sound. ठीक है. The same time you are just listening my sound. ठीक है. Through what? Through which device? Through which output device? That is your what? Speaker. ठीक है. तो speaker is a type of an input device that is used to take output as a sound. Take sound as a output. Clear to everyone? Okay. Plotter. The plotter is a graphic output device used to create drawing on paper. ठीक है. If you want to draw drawing on paper, for that we need an output device. That device is known as plotter. If you want to draw any drawing, ठीक है. For example, if this device is used for what? For designing of ships. ठीक है. Designing of ship, SHIPS. ठीक है. Ships of river, seas. ठीक है. Ships of sea. ठीक है. Designing of bikes, designing of cars, designing of vans, designing of buildings. ठीक है. For such type of things we need a device. That device is known as what? Printer. ठीक है ना. If you want to get the printout after the designing of the buildings, designing of the bikes, designing of the cars, designing of the ships, ठीक है, we use what? Plotter. ठीक है. The plotter is a graphic output device used to create drawings on paper. ठीक है. There are two types of plotters: pen plotter and photo plotter. Pen plotter, that is for text only. ठीक है. So it is an electromechanical device. The pen is moved in two dimensions, up and down, and left right across the paper or fill media to create output. ठीक है, तो pen plotter, ठीक है, just use like left right top bottom, ठीक है, left right top bottom to draw any picture, ठीक है, and then after it print. Photo plotter, it uses fiber optic technology to produce the image on dry silver paper. If you want to just print what image, ठीक है, as a drawing, for that we use this type of device, that is plotter. Which plotter? Photo plotter. ठीक है, तो pen plotter and photo plotter both are the type of plotter that is used to create drawing on paper and then after get the result. Last topic of this chapter, projector. Last topic of this chapter is projector. It is also type of an input device that is used to display your screen, ठीक है, then display your information on large screen. Display your information on large screen. If you want to just show your information on large screen, for that we need what? Projector. For that we need projector. ठीक है. See, a projector is an output device that can take the display of computer screen and project a large version of it into a flat surface. ठीक है. It just make the computer screen large. It make the computer screen large. Suppose that you want to show your thing on large monitor. For that we need what? Projector. For that we need a projector. ठीक है. The projector is a type of an output device that is used to display computer screen. Computer that is used to display computer screen on large flat surface. On large flat surface. ठीक है ना? It is also type of input device that is used to display information on large flat surface. On large flat surface. ठीक है? Clear to everyone? See, projectors are often used in meetings and presentation. ठीक है? For meetings, for presentation. ठीक है? If you want to just show your any information, ठीक है? For that we need a projector. We need a projector to show our presentation. To help make sure everyone in the room can view the presentation, ठीक है, and many persons can view, ठीक है, if you just display your information on a screen, so many people, ठीक है, that can see your presentation, ठीक है, over the screen. It is your chapter, ठीक है. Okay, students, tell me if you have any issue regarding this chapter. Hello. You can unmute yourself, everyone. You can ask questions.
OLED.
Plotter.
OLED monitor.
Listen.
Sir,
one by one.
OLED.
Optical character reader, that is used to convert printed document in editable form. That is used to convert printed document in editable form. ठीक है ना? That is OCR. To perform editing. Editing is cut, copy, paste, delete. If you want to just cut anything, if you want to delete anything, if you want to add anything. So after conversion we can perform. ठीक है? Tell me one thing, students. You all have needs notes of this chapter now. You all need notes of this chapter. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
Yes.
after 2 p.m. ठीक है? Today after 2 p.m.
Sir, Lalji sir has provided.
Yes, sir. Lalji sir.
No, sir.
Lalji sir.
If you can
We have written it.
otherwise you can
We have
write.
written it.
I will
Notes of this
share
chapter.
on your WhatsApp group.
Sir, I have written
WhatsApp group. You will have to prepare the notes and the exercise of this chapter also. And the exercise of this chapter also. Tomorrow we will discuss the exercise only. In tomorrow class we will discuss the exercise only. So you all have to complete the what? All the theoretical question. You have to read only. You have to read the MCQ only. MCQ question. And you don't do MCQ on your question paper. You all have to do question answer only in your clear copy. Mind you, getting what I am saying?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
students. Getting what I am saying? You all have to.
Yes, sir.
You all have to do your question answer. That is your theoretical question. Okay? And MCQ you have to keep on your book only. You have to keep in your book only. Okay? Not in your not in your computer notebook.
Sir, answer is B.
Today homework of today is you all have to complete the notes. I will send the notes on your group, okay, on your class 9th online group, and you all have to solve the theoretical question. Tomorrow we will discuss only question answer and exercise of this chapter. Okay to everyone?
Sir,
Okay.
what is difference between LCD and LED?
Both are the same. LCD and LED both are the same, but there is a difference of technology only. There is a difference of technology only. LCD is oldest one in compared to the LED. LCD is oldest one in compared to the LED. Okay, LCD is
Sir, जो non-impact,
new technology.
sir non-impact जो printer है sir वो
LCD has less. LCD is less capable in compared to the LED. LCD has LED has good picture quality in compare. ठीक है, and LCD has less picture quality to show.
अभी रखिए
सर जो नॉट इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर है सर वो उसमें क्यों करंट कम लगता है?
Portable small devices, that's why it consumes large small less electricity. It is
सर कॉम्पैक्ट डिस्क बता दीजिए
CD. It is type of storage device, optical. It is type of storage device. ठीक है? It is type of storage device that is used to store information up to 700 MB. 700 MB.
MB.
Portable device also means we can carry from one location to another location very easily. It is type of optical.
Sir, what is electromagnetic printer?
Huh?
Sir, what is electromagnetic printer?
Sorry?
Electromagnetic printer.
Electromagnetic printer. It is type of non-impact printer, ठीक है, which is responsible for printing in high speeds. Printing in high speeds means it can just print more information, ठीक है ना, more information, ठीक है, in a single minute. If you want to just take 40 copies, 50 copies, ठीक है, as a information, ठीक है, on the paper, for that we use for electromagnetic printer. It is fastest printer, you can say. Anything else?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, tomorrow we will meet, ठीक है ना, and we will discuss the question
Yes,
answer
sir.
and exercises of the chapter. So homework of today is you all have to prepare the notes. I will send on your group, ठीक है, and theoretical questions of the chapter. Okay.
सर जैसे
everyone.
जो ग्रुप आप सर जो नोट्स ग्रुप में भेजेंगे
Yes.
उसको जैसे भेजेंगे वैसे ही उतार देंगे.
As it is, ठीक है, as it is you all have to do. In proper manner I will send.
थैंक यू सर.
सर जो कर लिया है
It's okay, no issue.
के लिए भी
If you think any topic is new, so you can write in your notebook. If you see, okay, any new topic is there, so you can write in your notebook from there. Okay.
Sir, first chapter or second? Of first
Of
chapter.
second chapter. Today I will send the notes of second chapter. First chapter you all have to do only question answer. Only question answer of the first chapter. And for second chapter I will send the notes and you all have to do the theoretical questions also.
सर क्वेश्चन आंसर बुक में तो सर क्वेश्चन आंसर भी लिखेंगे.
Theoretical questions only. I am asking about the theoretical question. Theoretical question.
सर fill in the blanks.
No need to do fill in the blanks, MCQ, true and false and other things. You all have to do only theoretical questions in your fair copy.
Okay, sir.
Okay, chalo. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Keep study everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Keep study.
बाय